Hello everyone, I am Dr. Chakor Bora. I am a medical oncologist and I practice in Pune. Today I'll be talking about the follow-up plan or what should be the follow-up protocol for a patient who's taking treatment for lung cancer. Now, lung cancer, as we know, most of our patients need to continue treatment in some or the other form, either in the tablet form or in the form of injections or salines for a very long duration. And all these patients need to follow a particular protocol of follow-up. So every 2 to 3 monthly, what we recommend for our patients is they undergo at least a CT scan or a PET CT scan of the entire body. It is important that you follow that advice and do a scan at 2 or 3 month intervals as per the recommendation given by your doctor who's treating your lung cancer. The other investigations which need to be done include blood tests. So many of the patients who are taking targeted therapies for mutation positive lung cancers, they can be doing blood tests only once a month or once in 2 or 3 months as well. But doing a monthly blood test with hemoglobin and a complete blood count, renal kidney function tests and liver function test, and sometimes also doing ECG and 2D echo, the heart function, is recommended for patients who are taking treatment for lung cancer in the form of targeted therapy tablets. Patients who are taking immunotherapy should also undergo blood tests at regular intervals. The blood tests here, along with the ones which are mentioned for the targeted therapies, the additional blood tests include tests to be done for thyroid function and hormonal tests like organ functions for adrenal function or other pancreatic functions and other hormones. For patients who are undergoing chemotherapy at regular intervals, they also should undergo blood tests at regular 2 or 3 weekly interval. And that is necessary to understand or analyze the fitness of the patient to take the further courses of treatment with either immunotherapy, chemotherapy or targeted therapy. Blood tests, ECG, 2D echo and scans, either CT scan or PET scan, need to be done at regular interval as recommended by your oncophysician.